In the beginning levels, one of the big things that's changed is I realized a lot of things that I didn't want to do before. I suddenly was somewhere between okay and actually appreciated doing those things. And a great example would be my job. I work for IT, I work for a big telephone company. At the time, I actually worked many hours. Sometimes I had to work oddball shifts, like a second shift or a third shift. I wasn't very appreciated for the things that I was doing at my job either. So it frustrated me. So I actually didn't want to go to work. I felt, I had something to offer and I wasn't being, utilized to my full potential. So I didn't want to go to work. I didn't like the people I was working with. I thought they were, some were not intelligent, some were arrogant, and I felt my job was kind of a dead-end job. I wasn't going anywhere. Right? I felt I had a potential for more, and I was kind of stuck in this job. And about a year or two into meditation, I remember walking outside of my garage, outside of my house, and as soon as I walked outside, it just dawned on me, like, the reason I can live in such a lovely place in Irvine is because I have a job like Verizon. The reason I can spend so much time with my daughter is because I'm able to end my job at 2 p.m. so I can pick my daughter up every day from school and spend time with her and watch her grow up, right? It was a job that allowed me to have insurance. Whenever all my friends were paying high insurance, my insurance was paid for, and my daughter's. So I'm really grateful to meditation. A lot of things that I didn't want to do before, I suddenly am not only happy to do them, I'm grateful to do them. And it's through the things that I really didn't want to do that I actually learned the most about myself. I learned the most about what's wrong, what's false, what's not true. I couldn't imagine my life not being a meditator, not doing this meditation. This meditation helped me to realize I was finally on the right track. All the stuff that I had before, all the drama in my life before, all the unhappinesses I had before led me to this point. And at this point, I'm so grateful because I even get a chance to look at my peers and they're still stuck in their lives, whatever it may be. But I actually was able to move past that and slowly transforming false into truth, slowly becoming the kind of person I would like to be, the person I want to be, the person I would, be happy that my daughter would be one day. I'm proud to be her father, for example, unlike before. So, thank you for the meditation. I'm very grateful, and I wouldn't have it any other way.